Good morning, students. Today we will learn about chapter number 5, that is apostrophe, that apostrophe S. That here is example is given to you, that the girl's doll. Now what is apostrophe? Apostrophe means apostrophe S shows that the belongingness, that the thing is owner, कि ये thing मेरी है, ये thing मेरी है. जैसे that books is mine, right? That book is belong to me. So that shows that the belongingness or the ownership, that is apostrophe S shows that. Here some examples are here, that is the girl's doll, then the girl's doll. Here one difference is here the singular noun, right? We learn about the noun, right? The girls मतलब लड़की की, एक ही लड़की है, उसकी क्या है, एक डॉल है, right? That shows that singular noun जब होगा तब apostrophe S इस तरह से लिखा जाएगा. That is shows the ownership in a singular noun. Now what happened to the next one, next example, that is the girl's doll. That shows that girls that means that is the plural. That also we learned that singular plural in previous lecture, right? So girls that means plural noun. Now when we use the ownership or the that belongingness of that thing, of the person, that is if the noun is plural, then only we put this sign apostrophe की सिर्फ sign लगेगी. That means लड़कियाँ, girls मतलब लड़कियाँ, बहुत लड़कियाँ हैं, दो लड़कियाँ हैं, तीन लड़कियाँ हैं, whatever. Girls means there is no number is that, but girls that means more than one. Then we use only this sign for shows the belongingness, right? The another example is the girls, the dolls. Here both the noun. This is also noun, this is also noun. Here the girls this is also noun in a plural form, right? बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ हैं. That dolls is also a plural noun. That shows that बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ, that means one, more than one, two or three गर्ल्स के सबके पास डॉल्स हैं, कि सभी के पास क्या हैं, डॉल्स हैं. तो हम सभी लड़कियों की बात कर रहे हैं और लड़कियों के पास डॉल्स की बात कर रहे हैं. देन दे हैव डॉल्स. देन ऑल्सो वी जस्ट पुट ओनली द साइन, नॉट दिस लाइक दिस. हियर वी राइट लाइक हियर एस, नो, only just put the sign. Now another one, when the plural noun plural noun that not follow any rules, we also discuss about that rules, right? So here children, this is also plural, but spellings and not with the S. Use see here that all the spellings and with the S na in plural, right? Then only we put only this sign. But when the spelling of the noun is not and with the S, then we write the apostrophe S this way. Here like this way we have just write the apostrophe S. Here generally we use apostrophe S for people and एनिमल और पीपल का जो बिलोंगिंगनेस है वो दिखाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. बट वी डोंट यूज़, जनरली वी डोंट यूज़ फॉर दिस एपोस्ट्रोफी एस फॉर द थिंग्स. लाइक एक चेयर है, इसके आर्म्स होते हैं, तो वी व्हाट शुड वी कॉल एट द आर्म्स ऑफ चेयर, नॉट द आर्म चेयर्स आर्म, राइट? सेम हियर द top of the page, not the page of the top. ऐसे the pages of top ऐसे नहीं बोलते. We generally says that the top of the page. So here the this is the rule only for the apostrophe S. Some rules we discuss above with the examples. Here also the one more important rule that we use for man, people and the animal, not for the things. Here in your grammar book, exercise are given. Now, 2 example we just take, and the rest of the exercise you just do at your home, right? The first one is, this is a dash bicycle woman. Now bicycle है, उसका belongingness किससे है? Women से. तो कैसे लिखेंगे हम? This is a women's bicycle. Like this we have just right? The another one that you remember that or notice that if the noun is not end with the s, we write this way apostrophe, right? Apostrophe s हम इस तरह से लिखते हैं जब noun s से end नहीं होता. Here you can see this example. Mr. Ghosh is my dash friend. Here in bracket the parents. Here parents, the noun is end with s. So what should we write? Like this, parent. Understand? So whenever the noun is end with the s, we just put the sign only. If the noun is not end with the s, then we write, do the sign first and then write the s. It shows that the belongingness or the ownership of that thing or the people or animal. Understand? Now that's all for this chapter, and the rest of the exercise you can do at your home from your grammar book. Thank you.